Are you ready for today's physical challenge? In today's exercise, we're going to try an exercise called the windmill. Let's look at level 1. Was that a bit fast? Let's look at the exercise in slow motion. So in this challenge, you have to think swimming. So you have to imagine you're doing a back crawl and then rotate around and do a front crawl. That makes it a lot easier to learn. When you've done that, look at level 2. That was also pretty fast. Let's look at it in slow motion. So in level 2, we're doing the same as level 1, but then we also turn around and do it on the other side. So you have to do all that without stopping. Good luck practicing.